Hello everyone. The website that I have chosen is pbskids.org. PBS Kids is a program from the Public Broadcasting Service that is committed to making a positive impact on the lives of children through curriculum-based entertainment. On this website, children can access a number of fun and educational games, as well as a number of fun and educational videos, as well as TV shows. Children can even listen to podcasts from their favorite characters. This website will be a great, fun, and interactive educational resource for both inside and outside of the classroom. There's even a section at the top of the PBS Kids website for parents. Along with this curriculum-based entertainment, PBS Kids uses positive role models and content designed to nurture a child's total well-being. Thank you.